Hello, in this video, I will be showing you how to fix keyboard not typing certain letters in Windows. The first thing you can try, just go on your settings, go on your Windows icon, go on settings. Go under accessibility, then scroll down, click on keyboard. Make sure this is turned off. Sticky keys and filter keys, make sure that they are off. If you still have a problem, then you have to reinstall your drivers. Just go on your Windows icon, right click, go on Device Manager. Then scroll down to keyboard. Here, right click, then click on uninstall device. Click on uninstall, then do this for all the keyboard devices. Once you do that, just restart your computer and it will reinstall the drivers. And if you're still facing the problem, maybe it will be your keyboard that needs to be replaced. After you do this, then you're done.